Bike Brussels 2025, we are still here. I said there was only one company that really jumped out with the trailer with the tent in it, but in fact there is two. I'm here with Globe for You, which is a French startup, again dealing with trailers. These ones are made out of linen. Do you believe me? So the linen studs like this, they add resin to make the tubes. These are lightweight and it stops the vibrations. So we see an example behind me. You can put a dog in it or your bags, whatever you need, and you can see them folded up over there. So these are by mail order, or you can buy them in a few select shops in France. Prices start from 550. You can also potentially rent them. Next model may be for children. Would you carry your kids in one of these? I would. It looks natural, it looks lightweight, and it's good for the environment. I've put the details in the description below. Contact them for more. Do you want to be a distributor before them? I'm actually thinking about it. No more videos from Bike Brussels this year, but like and subscribe for more. Thanks.